You give me something I need, yeah. You give me something I bleed, yeah. You give me something I crave, oh, I really need you too. I really wanna feel great now, so let me have my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long things going on, and plus it's my fault too because I was like real lazy, if I'm being completely honest. I just wasn't like, I was just in a funk, I wasn't feeling to the videos, but something hit me and I'll do a later video about like what I was going through and thing. I don't even talk about it right now, but beside the point, I'm back. You know what, I'm about to make videos saying that I'm back, but I'm back. We're good. And I come to tell you this amazing glitter, cut crease, wing, big lashes, full lip, full eyes, Valentines look. You know. So yes, I come to tell you with this look. I get inspiration from, oh my god, I can't remember the girl name, but I will put a picture up here with her on it, and I will link she video down below because she did this beautifully. You know what I'm saying? She did it real good. It looks so nice. I wanted to do it about one time. It's not exactly the same. She was a little more bright, a little more pink, but inspired by her. So yeah. I don't want to talk about it is too much because I saw all this and this weekend is like much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna be voiceover. I'm not gonna be talking through it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so to start off, I already have my eyebrows done and I already set my little concealer and everything. And we're going to go into Starcrush Minerals Fatal Attraction Loose Eyeshadow with a Luxie blending brush. And we're going to begin to blend that into our crease. That basically only this shadow and one other darker burgundy shadow we're going to use in the crease. So you want to keep building it up and until you get it as dark or as, you know, pigmented as you want on your lid. So as you can see, I just building it up. And now we're going to go into cutting our crease. I already put the dark burgundy color and the facial attraction. That's all we use for today. And now we're going to cut our crease, as I said. So normally I cut my crease halfway, but this time I'm cutting my whole crease, as you can see, in like a semicircle form. This is just using any concealer you have. It don't matter if I'm using a flat brush. And yeah, just cutting my crease in a semicircle form. At first I started using this brush here, I used to do my eyebrows, but I wasn't getting it to be as precise as I wanted, so I switched to this brush, a smaller brush, just to get it more precise. So after you're doing that, it real simple. Just like take your time, and you can see I pull in my kind of eye a little bit. Don't really just cause wrinkles, but that's the best way I could get it to be as neat as possible. So yeah. After that, now you're just gonna leave it to leave the concealer to dry a little bit more, and then now you're gonna take the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take a light pinky color to set the concealer, and yeah, just so it won't be tacky. So now we're going to take back a flat brush with some eyelash glue. Yes, I know, real ghetto. And you're going to put it all over the lid, and then that's when you're going to add the glitter on top to make it stick to your eyelid. So yeah, just keep doing that dipping. You want to do that in small sections just so that the glue won't dry by the time you're going to put the glitter on it. So yeah, I'm using the Pinky Rose Cosmetics glitter palette, the hypnotized glitter palette, and using the pink glitter and the silver glitter, and I paint on my lid over the glue. So let's keep going in small sections, and yeah. After that, I do wing liner and put on my eyelashes drying right now. You'll see my eyelashes just now, but that's basically what I do behind camera because I was getting real problems to do an eyeliner, so I do it off camera. I prime my face with some Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and then now I'm going into the Jordana Complete Coverage Foundation in the color Golden Toffee. After that, I'm going into the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade. Ooh, what shade? Wow, I really don't know the shade, guys. Oh no, Deep Golden. And yeah, blending that out. And then I take in the Elegant Concealer in the shade Cocoa, I think. Deep Cocoa or something like that. To contour. So I'm just gonna blend out my Real Technique sponge that I need to get a new one of. Let me not talk about it. I know. So yeah, just blending that out. Ooh, real nice face in Makeda. Wow. But yeah, so blended that out, blend all over. You know how to do it already. Nothing hard here. I just blend the concealer first, then the contour, just so that the contour will kind of blend out with the concealer already on the sponge, if that makes sense. Blend out your nose, and yeah. Setting my lid with, well, in my lid, wow, okay. Setting everywhere that I put concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in deep, medium deep. Setting everywhere I put the concealer on my smile lines, on my eyes, my nose, and then I dusting it. First I pack in some on my face with a sponge, and then if I take in a big gigantic brush, all you can see that's now from Morphe. I love that brush so much. It's like so beautiful. You'll see it now. It's so big, right? So using that to dust the powder all over my face just to set everything lightly, because I'm not going anywhere with the powder, so I'm normally not cheap, so I'm not trying to use all that much for no reason. So yeah, just dusting that all over my face just to set everything, so that way when I put on my contour and blush and everything will blend seamlessly. So now I went into the LA Girl face powder in Cocoa, and I'm going to contour my face, add back some definition, because we just was looking flat just nowadays. So yeah, putting it on my cheekbones, my forehead, and I try to contour my nose. I don't really know, you will tell me down low if you actually see anything different, because my nose kind of big, but I don't really care. That's what's trying nothing to see if it make a difference. So now I'm going to highlight using the Ofra. I always use it to get a new highlight. I literally hit pan on it. So yeah, using the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter on my nose, cheekbones, top of my eyebrow, my lip, everywhere that's highlight. And yeah, with the Real Technique setting brush. Now I'm taking, I can't remember the name of this brush, but it's from Morphe, with the Rose Vino blush from Milani to blush up my cheeks, setting that with some rose water setting spray. Well, setting spray, not really setting spray, it's just rose water. So now going into my lower lash line, I put in some black eyeliner, my waterline. That one is from Jordana, but I wouldn't recommend it because it does they sort of like smear after a while, so I wouldn't really recommend it. I put some mascara to blend in my false lashes, my real lashes, and now I'm taking all the colors I use on top, the pink and then the burgundy, back on the lower lash, and just to make everything blend seamlessly. Now again, I'm going into some black in the same 35B palette, and I'm gonna just put that real tight against my lower lash line just to smoke out everything. It's the fact that I'm touching up my face right now, like I see we can't do a voiceover, so I mean, no sense. Right. So now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm taking my highlighter to use on my cheekbones and my inner corners to brighten up my eyes. And we're going to move straight into lips. So for lips, I'm just using a dark lip pencil to line my lips. I really don't know what to do with my lips for this look, so I just like try a bunch of different things. So yeah, so I line my lips. I kind of went overboard with the lip line. You'll see those small lips look kind of huge. But yeah, so I line my lips. And then using this Jordana liquid lipstick in the shade oh my god, I'm making a mess, in the shade raspberry one? Yeah, raspberry. And I just putting it lightly over the lipstick, just getting it as bright as I want it to be, you know. Could always be too bright, could always take away from the eyes, but you know, just coming blend. So yeah, so then I'm going over with the lip liner again just to make sure everything blend, and that's basically it. Bye guys. My lips looking huge.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me.